Hello everyone, and hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, my shorts, my live stream. So today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this birthday gift. Thank you so much for this gift. A perfume from Calvin Klein. How to pronounce this one? It's Eternity Calvin Klein perfume. Oh, thank you so much. So now we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Shirin. I have my own sound effect. So now let's do. So this is it pansit. So don't mind my. Now it's dark. Wait. Tapos nabagsak no. So here is the perfume. Buti na lang hindi pa ako bumili ng pabango. So thank you so much. Hirap nung ikaw yung video, ikaw din taga bukas na. Hirap nung walang nag-video. Chen. So don't mind my nails, my fingers. Pangit talagang kamay ko. So this is the perfume. I'm gonna test it, but ako lang din ang makakaamoy. I will just be the one to smell it. Shh. Parang kaamoy siya nung dati kong pabango. It's so fragrant. So again, thank you so much for this gift. Happy birthday to me. It's already May, but still, thank you for giving this gift. Bye. Thank you so much. This is the perfume. It's Eternity Calvin Klein. See. Thank you.